Here is your scale drawings foldable. First thing we're going to talk about is scale. The scale on a scale drawing or a scale model is the ratio of the model or the drawing lengths to the corresponding actual lengths. So like in this particular example, the statue is 60 feet tall. A model of the statue is only 8 inches tall. So we're doing the ratio of the model length to the actual length. So when I say my unit rate is inches to feet, and I break this down as 8 inches to 60 feet, divide both sides by 8, and I get 1 inch is equivalent to 7.5 feet. Usually you'll see that on maps. 1 inch goes to so many miles, but in this particular example, 1 inch to 7.5 feet. For your scale factor, it is like the unit rate. It gives the number of times bigger the actual object is compared to the scale model. The actual object is compared to the scale model. So for this example, a model car was made using a scale factor of 2.5 inches for every 3 feet. What is the scale factor? So we said 2.5 inches goes to 36 inches. So everything is in inches. We know that 3 feet is equivalent to 36 inches. Divide both sides by 2.5, and there is my scale factor. 1 inch is going to be 14.4 inches on the car. So scale factor, I think unit rate. For your scale model, it is a three-dimensional representation of a larger or a smaller object. So you're either blowing it up or shrinking it down. Not blowing it up, but like making it larger. A model table is made using a scale of 1 inch to 8 feet. If the actual table is 22 feet long, how long will the model be? So for this one, we can set up a proportion. 1 inch to 8 feet is equivalent to 22 feet. That's my x. When I cross multiply, I get 8x equals 22. Divide both sides by 8, and that is how I got my 2.75 inches. Last one, scale drawing. Usually this is a blueprint in real life. It is a diagram or a map of an object that's too large or small to draw. So the most popular scale drawing you'll come across is a map. It's a diagram or a map of an object. So two cities are 450 miles apart. How far apart will they be on a map that uses a scale of 2 inches for every 30 miles? So I again have a proportion. So I can say 2 inches to 30 miles goes to 450 miles. There's my x. 30 times x, 450 times 2 is 900. Divide both sides by 30, and that is how I get 30 inches.